How to fix Supercell ID verification code not received to email on iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, check spam or junk folder. Sometimes verification emails can end up in the spam or junk folder. If it is still not there, then let's get further with our process. Or else, sometimes there might be a delay in the delivery of emails. Wait for a few minutes and then try requesting the verification code again. Or it might just be your Wi-Fi problem, so try turning your Wi-Fi on and off. After that, if you have tried the above steps and still have not received the verification code, you may need to contact Supercell support for further assistance. They may be able to help you troubleshoot the issues or provide alternative methods for verifying your Supercell ID. After you are inside the Supercell ID settings, click on the top right corner message icon. Then you will get to see Clash of Clans support, and all you have to do is text your problem here. And by following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of not receiving the Supercell ID verification code via email on your iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.